Lamsugo hanyo hai joto nai tongnai beb sungno career hanyo hai tui pepikan rong bagai TTAADC ni kaisa Kwtal job ni notification omongkha JE ni sal tamsakang no omok ongkhormani kaisa notification abo sarigong kini cancel ngi thangka bugra bai sajagai tabuk taisa Kwtal khe ongkhorka tabung khe kisa change angkha ingke phaidi chungno details khe nailinai bufron chini form fill up khaijangnai tei tamtam qualification rok tei tamtam nangnai aborok jotono nailinai apni sikang joto bai option kisa koyo tini no chini channel video no puila nugui tongha kisa bell icon chini subscribe khairdi tei like share bo khairdi tabuk ni notification ongkhormani date angkha 04/10/2023 advertisement application in plain paper o application rana nangnai permanent resident of Tripura nangnai Tripura ni borong no nangnai mo rana ningke naidi tamtama post hongke junior engineer degree and diploma khaijak rong ni bagai civil tongnai mechanical electrical tei computer rong ni bagai PWD tei IT cell pharingke post nalesinai post singke age je ongkhorman hanyo JE civil 18 ta civil engineering degree khaijana nangnai salary tongnai 37,000 per month number 2 junior engineer civil diploma rong bagai grade 5B vacancy 9 ta qualification civil engineering diploma salary tongai 27,000 per month number 3 junior engineer mechanical group 5A post tongo 2 ta degree mechanical engineering go 37,000 per month number 4 mechanical group 5B junior engineer number of post 2 jambo diploma mechanical salary 27,000 per month 5 tongo junior engineer electrical group 5A vacancy kaini degree electrical engineering go khaijak nangnai salary 37,000 number 6 junior engineer group 5B electrical diploma engineering khaijak nangnai electrical engineering vacancy 2 salary 27,000 per month 7 number junior engineer group 5A computer kaini post degree computer engineering khaijak nangnai salary 37,000 per month number 8 junior engineer group 5B computer vacancy kaisa diploma khaijak nangnai computer engineering salary 27,000 per month tabuk nailinai selection process ingke naidi purely contract basic inche which may be subsequently regular phono angi thanai inshawaro inke application ra nangnai to the executive officer ADMN Khumulong TTAADC tai biodata rok ra nangnai self attested copy tai joto document ni recruitment process ngai 2 stage ke written exam ngai MCQ 100 mark ni interview tongnai personality test 50 mark ni date of written examination likely to be 5th November 2023 5 tarik November 2023 o written exam ngai Khumpui Academy School tai Yakli Academy School kaini jaga center from 11 AM Epono notification release ngai exam date ongkhor kangke newspaper October ni last week written exam tamtamo syllabus pattern tongai naiji GK general knowledge current affairs engineering aptitude towards the exam English 20 mark ni tongai GK 20 mark engineering aptitude 60 mark ni 5 times katlang songai interview ni bagai merit wise ke tebo details semenan bagai TTAADC website habai nei mano tai omo bufro chimi submission ngai form ke thangi joma marinai narwai tongthai guest house kumulong TTAADC o 9 tarik October 2023 chimi 16 October 2023 from 11 AM to 3 PM working days so chimi joma narangnai age limit 18 years to 40 years STSC 5 years relaxation tabung ke katal kaisa point tongo ageng ke fee nang yata fee nang nai general rong ke 500 STSC rong ni bageng ke 300 ke mar nai bank o draft ta nai bank demand draft in favor of executive officer TTAADC oma ke sei mar nai drabo ko account number rozak jotono asung nangka mane important saklemung kakai norok buji bakina nai oma haite katal job ni notification phagin kana manan bagi channel bakring chungdi bell icon subscribe khair di like share